Hi, Aman. How are you?
Okay. I'm good.
Yeah, thank you for joining on time. Okay, Aman, can you introduce about yourself regarding your education background and all?
Yes, my name is Aman Kumar Singh and I am from Greater Noida. I am a final year student at IMT College of Engineering, Greater Noida. My skill include HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Monstick. And I have also done projects on Monstick,
Mhm.
and now I am looking for the opportunity.
I have checked your project regarding my tutor, I think, right? My tutor things.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me
Yes,
about
sir.
more about this project? Which technology you are using? How do you think to build this kind of project?
Uh, I'm using Monstack React for front end and
Mm-hmm.
Express Node.js and MongoDB for backend and database. And
Mm-hmm. Any challenge you are
it
facing?
yes, challenge I have faced that how do I communicate,
Mm-hmm.
introduce a communication between the tutor and the student,
Mm-hmm.
and that's for I am searching similar types of website and then I am implement that.
Okay, which database you are using? Any database you are using over there?
Yes, MongoDB.
Okay, MongoDB. Okay. And deployment in which platform?
It's a free Warshell for front end and back
Mm-hmm.
end. It's deployed render.
Okay. Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, then we can start. Can you share your screens?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll start with the multiple choice question first. Like 5, 10 multiple question I just ask. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, first I just shared to you. Can you check?
Yes, sir. Sir, it's meta tag
Okay, yes, correct.
A option.
Mm-hmm. The second one is this.
Sir, we can use required
Mm-hmm.
for
Yes, correct.
mandatory. Yes.
Okay, I'll start with simple one, then we will move to the hardest. Okay. Okay. The next one is
Okay.
this.
Not a semantic tag. Sir, I think it's B tag because all three look semantic. D option
Mm-hmm.
is not looking semantic.
Okay, that's good. Okay.
Sir, option D, PTC. I never heard about this.
Yes, correct. This one.
Vertically flex. I think align item, sir.
Mm, are you sure?
Sir, I'll confuse every time because when we direction are vertical, then
Mm-hmm.
it's justify and align change oppositely. That's why I'll confuse.
Yeah, lying item is fine. No problem. Okay.
Okay.
The next one is this.
Sir, it's G index.
Yes, correct. Okay. Next is this.
And type. It's a number, sir, number.
Yes. Okay. Next is this.
Which one? Sir, JSON dot stringify.
Yes. No,
No,
no, no, no.
no, sir.
Yes. Think about it.
JSON string to object. Then it's
Mm-hmm.
parse. Sir, I think
Yes.
it's parse.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Correct. Okay.
Sir, late is a block. Yes.
Yes. Correct. Okay. Start one. Start with the React. Na?
Okay. The virtual DOM.
Yes, correct.
Okay.
Okay, the next one is this.
Side effect. So side effect, it's a huge effect.
Yes, correct. Yeah, that is the last one.
Key. The unique. The key are unique.
Yes, correct. Okay, multiple choice question is fine
Yes, sir.
according to me. We will move to the theoretical one. Uh,
Okay.
Start with HTML, CSS first.
Okay.
Explain semantic HTML.
Semantic HTML elements are those which has a meaning in the name. For example, if we are semantic tags like header, that
Mm-hmm.
it has the meaning that it used for heading, and
Mm-hmm.
for section body, these all are semantic tags.
What's the benefit to using semantic HTML?
It gives a readable structure, and also for SEO purpose.
Yes, correct. Explain the difference between class and ID.
ID are used for uniquely identification. We can assign one ID to one tag, but we can use a multiple tag with same class.
Okay, CSS we can use multiple time. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. What is CSS specificity?
Specificity means first inline, then internal CSS, then external CSS.
Okay. Are you sure? Is it the same hierarchy?
Yes,
Start with
sir.
inline, then
Specificity, sir. I am not sure that it's also include ID classes in a
y-
specificity.
yes, yes. ID classes are also include.
Okay, then first it's inline, then ID, then class, that then tag name.
Okay. Yes, correct. Okay. Explain the difference between Flexbox and Grid.
Flexbox is Flexbox and Grid are two uh, CSS property that used for that's used for responsiveness. Actually, Flexbox is 1D, and Grid is 2D.
Okay.
If we want to cover full, then we use 2D. That's good for Grid.
Okay. What's the basic need? Why we use Fluxbox and Grid?
Sir, it's used for responsiveness purpose, and basically it's used for responsiveness and structure, giving a
Okay.
better structure.
Okay. Explain responsive design approach. How many approach we have to give any site responsiveness? How many way we can use to responsive any website? Like you said, Fluxbox and Grid
So
is
we
the
can,
one. Any other way?
yes, sir. Sir, we can use a media query also.
Any other way?
Uh, I'm not
Okay.
sure.
Uh,
And
with with the help of fluid units. You heard about fluid units? Like percentage we can
yeah,
use.
yeah. We can use percentage for relative to its parents, and we also use viewport
Yes, yes.
for and also RAM for root element relative.
Okay, and which HTML version as of now working? As of now, we have.
HTML5.
Okay, why don't we use
HTML5.
HTML4? What's the difference between HTML4 and 5?
In HTML5, there are some new features added for example, semantic tag, and it's also include video, audio, and all or many good features were included in HTML5.
Okay, any other CSS library or framework you have used?
I have used Tailwind.
Okay, so what do you think? Tailwind is simple as compared to traditional CSS?
Not simple, but it becomes simple if we regularly use, because it had some shortcuts to use, and initially it's very tough.
Okay, initially learning is tough, but it can be easy if you are hands on the particular things.
Experiences. Yes, sir.
Okay, that's cool. Actually, Tailwind is fastest way uh, to develop any CSS styling things in a particular website.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. Let's move to the JavaScript part. Uh, Explain closer.
Closures are basically a function with its lexical scope.
Mm-hmm.
It means that if we return a function,
Mm-hmm.
then it can remember the scope of variable outside its
Mm-hmm.
on, that it's also remember its parent's scope also.
Okay, any example in your mind?
Yes, sir. I can give you a practical example.
Mm-hmm. Can you close this tab also? Don't allow. Okay, don't allow and close. Yeah. Zoom little bit. Zoom your screen. It's very small. Yeah, yeah. That's fine. That's fine.
Okay. Okay. Sir, here F1 function return a second function.
Okay. So which one is closer?
Yes, sir. Second function, sir, it's form this function form a closure with this scope. It's remember value of a whenever we call this.
Mm-hmm.
If we call this, and again, if we call F2,
So which one execute first?
then it will print a.
Okay, which one is execute first, parent or
This first F1 parent execute first, and then it returns second, then second execute.
yes, correct. Okay, that's cool. What's the difference between let, where, and const?
Let are blocked scope and let and const are block scope and
Mm-hmm.
where are functional scope. And
Okay.
these three are these let and where const all are hosted, and where is hosted in global scope, and latent const are hosted in temporal dead zone. So
Okay.
try to uh, if we try to access where before its initialization, then it gives undefined, and if we try to access latent const, then it gives a reference error because it hosted in temporal dead zone.
Okay. Why we use let and why we use const? Any specific thing?
We yes sir, let are used to protect means gives a security that it cannot access outside its scope, and const are used for not change its value, not change it, good for development purpose.
Okay. 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 That's fine. So which one you are prefer, where or let?
I prefer const and then let.
Okay. What is event loop?
Event loop are the features in JavaScript that gives JavaScript to run async operations.
Okay.
For example, if we execute a web API like set timeout, then it's first take and send to the timer, and after the timer end, then its callback function sent to the queue. And there is also two types of queue. First is micro queue and second is macro queue. All the timeout
Mm-hmm.
and mutable, these are sent to macro queue, and event loop constantly check. First check micro queue and then check macro queue. And if this a callback function available, then it take that callback function and send to the call stack, and then it's execute later.
Okay. Then what is async await then?
Async await also used for, it's basically gives you access to synchronously used async operations. It gives a await keyword.
Mm-hmm.
With the help of await, we can create synchronous execute inside asynchronous operations. Means if we execute await, then it not let execute next to it line before
Mm-hmm.
its completion. As it's
Yes. Yes.
our syntax, basically synthetic sugar we call that.
Mm-hmm. Yes. What is the difference between debouncing versus throttling?
Debouncing. Debouncing used for give the uh, time period before constantly executing a function. For example, if we
Mm-hmm.
searching, if we write a search function for typing, then we can use a time gap, that if the user is wait till a time second, then we start searching. And throttling, I could not recall right now throttling.
Okay. Throttling means execute in fixed time of interval. Fixed time.
Okay.
Within fixed time, they execute.
Yes, sir.
Debouncing like
Okay.
execute after user stop performing some action like this.
Okay. Yes.
Okay. What's the difference between null versus undefined?
Undefined means it's declared but value is not initialized,
Mm-hmm.
and null is means nothing. It's null means it does not initialize later. We can initialize, but we use null to represent that nothing is here.
Empty value.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll share one code for you. Can you check
Okay.
and give me what's the output?
So I think it's a string of 1 to 3.
Okay, why? Any specific reason?
Yes, sir. It's a string concatenation. 1 and 2 become a string in 1 2, and then a string plus number become a string of 1 to 3.
Yes, it's based on concatenation. Yeah, that's cool. What's the
Yes,
output
sir.
of this one?
Sir, I think first true, then false.
Mhm. Okay,
Yes, sir.
first true and then false.
False.
No, it's both true. Okay, no issue.
Okay.
You can check after this call.
Okay.
What's the output of this?
Sir, undefined.
Okay, what's the reason?
Sir, it's access before it's initialized.
Because of hosting.
Hosting, yes, sir.
Okay, yes, correct. Uh, what's the output?
Sir, false.
Because of
Sir, because array it does not compare value. Array. I see this
both.
type of.
Because of array reference is not the same.
Okay, yeah, reference not same.
Yeah. Okay. Uh, what's the output of this?
Set time of 3. Sir, it's print two, two, no, two, three times two.
Little bit correct, but not that much. Okay, it's 3 time 3. I
I
less
become.
than
So I less than three. It means
yes, I
two.
less than 3 means 2. And it's execute when I is 2, and then I plus plus. That plus plus goes to 3, then 3 time 3. I'm not that much sure. Can you run this on your browser?
Yes, sir.
So we can also sure. Yeah, it's
Yeah,
3.
it's three.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. I have one question to you. If you have any variable, okay, variable,
Yes.
any xyz variable you can take, and variable input is like JavaScript. So I want the count of vowels.
Here JavaScript
Hmm.
is in a string.
Yeah, in a string. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Vowel count. Okay.
You can remove above code if you want.
Okay.
Variable a is equal to JavaScript is equal to.
Okay.
Okay. I want the count of vowels.
Okay.
Yes, correct. Okay, my second question is like if you have like input hello, HELLO, any variable. So I want
Yes.
every character, how many time every character is occur. Like hello, coming in one time, O coming in two time, L coming in two time, like this. You can remove
Okay.
everything. I will share all the question over a mail.
Okay. Sir,
Yes.
here we are
Hmm.
storing a frequency in object form.
No, no, that's okay. That's okay. That's cool.
Okay.
Whatever output I want, that is it. Okay. If you, one more question I have for logical one. If you have
Okay.
any array who's having any random values in array, I want the largest number of the particular array.
Okay.
Logically, you are good. Actually, the speed you are having for logical question, it's good. Even someone experience having more than 2 3 years does not have that kind of speed.
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, that's correct. Okay, your logical is good. So I need to ask one or two question more. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. If you, for example, if you have any variable in a string like madam, MADA, madam. So is it the like
Okay.
palindrome string? So I want to know any specific string. Is it palindrome or not? It's true or false. I want like this.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Yes, that's
We are
correct.
iterating from both sides. Yes, sir.
Okay. One more last question I need to ask. It's related to DOM task in JavaScript DOM. You know what is DOM?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What's the full form of DOM?
The object, document object model.
Okay. For example, if you have any button, when you click that
Yes.
button, the text become changed to not click to clicked. How do you think? Initially, text is not clicked. Then you press
Okay.
that button, that text changes to clicked. How do you do
Okay.
in JavaScript?
So, firstly, we have to access that. We can also include a variable for if it's clicked, then it's so clicked.
Otherwise, not clicked.
Yes, so we can check that variable if we can include variable initially false. Then if clicked, then inner text it will be clicked, else it's not clicked. So in HTML, we have to include a button, a text, and a variable.
Okay.
A text where it's so clicked on non-click, and a variable. Initially, it false, and when it falls, it's so not clicked.
Yes, yes. Your
And
logical
after
is.
but
Yeah, logic is
Yes, sir.
good according to me. Yeah, that's okay. Okay, let me move to the React part. JavaScript is your JavaScript is good according to me. Okay, okay.
Yes, sir.
Start with the output based question first. What's the output of this?
Sir, it's one. Here it's print one.
Think about it. Think about it. You are close.
Okay. Sir, it's initially zero.
Okay, why?
Then because we initialize it at zero, count
Mm-hmm.
at zero.
Set count. Why
Okay.
don't set count run? My question is this.
Set count
Are you think set count is running in this function?
without. I don't think, sir, without any event or any huge effect that
Mm-hmm.
it's run.
Yeah, that's why it's
Yes.
zero. Yeah, correct.
Yes, sir.
Okay, one more question I will share to you. What's the output?
Sir, this console.log,
Mm-hmm.
I think it's error.
Why?
Sir,
Any issue
there
on
is
map?
no, sir, there is no return and function.
No, no, return is not required. Is it React?
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
List. Sir, list become 1, 2, 3,
Mm-hmm.
and length become 3.
Yes, that's correct.
Okay.
Okay, what's the output of this?
10, sir. It's 10. Sir,
Yes.
why there?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay,
You can
10.
ask. Okay.
No, I just ask set num here.
No, set state is initialize first. Initial state is 5. Initial
Okay,
number is 5, so 5 into 2 10. Yeah.
10.
Okay, that is the last one. It's related to template lateral.
Oh, yeah. Sir, it's done a cello copy here.
Mm-hmm.
In cello copy, the nested object reference are same.
Okay.
Then it's false, I think.
You said reference is same, so why it's
In
false?
nested,
Okay,
sir, in nested only. Reference are same in nested object only.
it's not copied the reference you said.
No, it's uh, copy the first value, and if object one has a nested object,
Mm-hmm.
then both the reference are same.
Okay, so is it false?
Yes, sir, false.
Okay, yes, that's correct. Okay, let me move to the theoretical one. Okay, when does use effect run?
Use effect run according to life cycle.
Mm-hmm.
It's run on mount and update.
Okay, so explain all three.
Yes, sir. When the component mount, the use effect, it's also contain the dependency array.
Mm-hmm.
And if we have an empty dependency array, then it's render on every re-renders. And if we have a particular value in the dependency array, then it execute whenever the dependency array changed. And if we do not have any array, we initialize empty, then it's execute whenever component re-renders.
Yes. What about last one? Un unmount.
On mount, we have to set a return. We have to use a return logic.
Where we
Then
write that written logic in dependency array or within first
no,
things.
after all the logic,
Okay.
before dependency error.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Okay. Have you work any state management library?
Yes, sir. I work on context API and Redux toolkit.
Okay, Redux toolkit, you have knowledge. Okay, that's cool. Okay, that is logically, that is randomly I am thinking. Okay, how do optimize React performance? Any React application
We
performance?
can Yes, sir. We can optimize by using lazy loading, and
Mm-hmm.
due to lazy loading, it's only render the component when
Mm-hmm.
it's necessary. It's dynamically rendered, and
Mm-hmm.
we can use memo
Mm-hmm.
for its prevent re-rendering multiple times. And
Mm-hmm.
we can also memo and yeah, these two.
Okay. What is pure component?
Pure component are those components which does not re-render if the input are not changed. If the input are same, then it's does not execute multiple times.
Okay. Any specific example in the Redux toolkit? Which one is pure function? Any random pure function name?
Use reducer, I think.
Yes, correct. Okay, how to state lift work? State lift
State
up.
lift.
Lift up.
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, when we pass callback function to nested child,
Mm-hmm.
then after a certain event occur,
Mm-hmm.
the event once the event trigger, then it lift off to the parents who send that callback function.
Okay. S- You know, React is a directional language.
Yes, it's a one directional.
So why state lifting up work in React?
It's basically not transfer data from child to parents. It's only a callback function that parents send to its child, and it's only, we can say that it event that occurred in the child component.
Okay. Okay. If we have set state, use reducer, use reducer, how does it work?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So why we use content API then?
Context API.
Hmm.
Yeah, context API is built in React, and it's we can use it for shorter website, shorter applications. It's allow you to use the data from any component whenever we want to use.
Okay, any issue if we use context API in big project?
No issue, but it's become harder,
More complex to
very
understand.
complex. Yes, complex to understand and manage.
Yes, yes. Okay, what do you think? How would you structure a MERN project folder? Folder structure, I want to know. What do you think this kind of folder structure we need to follow if we are building some major and large app?
Firstly, we have to create using any white any other. Then we can have a component folder,
Mm-hmm.
and we also have a store folder and
Mm-hmm.
services folder and also pages folder.
Mm-hmm. Have you used .env file?
Yes, sir. Have used
Okay, .env file.
.env for security key.
If we have
Yes, sir.
.env file in our project, so how when we deploy
Yes, sir.
our project in production, what do you think? .env file we need to remove or we need to change something?
Yeah, we have to change. We have to deploy it on GitHub, that we include a git ignore file where we can mention that that git env file are not env file and node modules are not uploaded on the GitHub.
Mm-hmm.
.env file includes the confidential data, so we cannot use it. It's better to.
Mm-hmm. If we
Yes, sir.
if we moved our application to production, what happened to env file? That data where
Sir,
we stored.
sir, uh, in production, the deployment, the site where we deployed, they gives us facility to include our key value pair, env file data in key value pair, so we
Mm.
can include there directly.
Yeah, DevOps tools are so having facility to include these things.
Yes, sir.
Okay, how do you authenticate your API? Like for example, if I am a random user, if I don't have any permission to work that particular website, how do you manage these things? Without login, I am not able to do anything. How do you manage these things?
Sir, we are store the data from the backend. It's we can save in local storage or session storage, or it's also gives cookies for cookies are sent token automatically on every http request, and that
Mhm.
verify are you login or not.
Okay. Which
And
technology is it? Is it any specific, any other thing? JWT token is the internal things, or we need to implement some library outside?
library, we need to use it from library.
Okay, one more scenario for you. If we have front end application, one is React, one is back end application. Both ports are different. Both
Okay.
the local host are different. How do you combine these things? How do you if you these things? What's the error to if you pass some API to front end, and how do you overcome?
So mainly error are course error.
Hmm. What's the meaning of
Yes, sir.
course?
Course, I do not
Okay,
remember.
cross origin something error. Okay, or error is fine.
Cross origin, yes, sir.
Haha. How do you
Yes, sir.
handle? How do you whitelist that URL so front end can
Sir,
use your backend API?
So I get the error in backend side where I use app.use course and mention that frontend URL in my server.js file. So I resolved that error.
Okay, okay, that's okay. Okay, your logic is good. One last question for you. Some logical question is React logical question is that you need to provide some count things by using React. If we plus that count, that value is increase. When minus is count, then value decrease and reset button. Three button is there. Based on three buttons,
Okay.
your UI is change. How do you think? How we can implement these things?
That we have to uh, firstly create a state variable
Mm-hmm.
that we can initialize with 0, and on first button
Mm-hmm.
we execute a on click event
Mm-hmm.
that do set a state to +1, and for a minus button we uh, implement on click function to -1, state -1.
Yes. So any use effect is work there or
Yes sir.
nothing required?
No, nothing required. We can use it from use state only.
Okay, that's good. Okay, interview is done for my side. Your logic is good according to me. As a fresher, as a third year student, you are in third year or fourth year?
No, fourth year.
Okay, as a fourth year student, you are going good. Any specific company coming your or college?
Yeah, it's coming in 21st November.
Okay. Logical is good. Theoretical is also good. You are doing good. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much for joining.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you, sir.